If you're over the age of 55 and you've been looking at side hustles that are automated, you probably already know this a little dirty secret that most people don't know. And that is you can actually spend 47 hours building the tech without getting anything done in your business or before you even earn your first dime. This one model that I'm going to share with you has changed the game for affiliate marketers across the board, and most people don't even know about this yet. Most people are used to learning the different aspects around marketing and affiliate marketing that's supposed to get you to the thing that really matters, which is getting people in front of your link and having them buy from you. However, most of the time we waste our time by doing the opposite. We actually stay stagnant in our business because we're building funnels, we're building emails, we're putting those emails in place, we're connecting all of these dots that are necessary to be connected. But not only are we learning the skill of putting these links in front of the right people, we're also spending time learning new skills, learning new tech things that we did not sign up for when we started something like affiliate marketing. So all of that stuff is really holding you back. And while I'm an advocate in learning it, I'm also an advocate of getting to work and getting results as soon as possible, even before you know how everything works, even before you know how to connect the dots and the pages and the emails. Get the results first. And in this system that I'm going to share with you, is going to show you exactly how to do that. So imagine setting up your business, opening the doors to your business, and being able to have everything already put in place. Now, this part you might be very familiar with, but the next part, I promise you, you won't be familiar with. But you're probably used to systems saying, we have the emails, we have the autoresponders, we have the capture pages and all that stuff. That's going to be set up for you immediately. You'll be able to grab your link. But imagine being able to, with a click of a button, turn on traffic right after you get started. And I don't mean those little nasty solo ads, because at the end of the day, they aren't sustainable. I'm talking about free organic traffic. Then imagine that you want more traffic and you want to get more results, and you open up your marketing space, and I'll just call it a smart AI marketing space. Once you open that up, it literally asks you a set of questions that will pave the way of your marketing, also automate some things, and give you a daily plan of what to do. Very simple plan anyone can follow. I could probably give my 9-year-old niece this platform and she'll be able to follow it to get the job done and start getting the eyeballs on her links and getting sales and signups, because she's not going to have to do that techie stuff. And neither are you. At the bottom of this video, there will be a link to this platform. You could test the turnkey system and start getting information from it. And I promise you, this is going to be like nothing you've ever seen before. And it's specifically made with you in mind so that you don't have to struggle with the things that don't matter. And we can get you to the coins. We can get you to get your link in front of the right people so you can start building your residual income in 2026. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.